Hello, my name is Edith, and today I'm going to show you how to send an email newsletter. To send an email to all of your clients, follow these steps. Go to Communication and click on Email Newsletter. Then click on the New Email Campaign button at the top right corner. You can choose a theme for your newsletter by searching for an image or uploading your own. Enter a subject and your message. Use merge tags in your message to add a personal touch by adding your client's first and last name into the newsletter. Once you're ready, you can send a test email by clicking on Send Test at the top right corner of your screen. Save as a draft, you can find the button right here, and send the newsletter by clicking on the Send button. And that's how you send an email newsletter. If you have more questions, don't hesitate to reach out to support@clinicsense.com. Have a lovely day.